What's up guys, Axel here. Welcome to my video. Very glad to have you here. If you don't know me yet, my name is Axel Jourson and I help normal people start their online journey and becoming an entrepreneur. So in today's video, we're going to talk about lead generation, what it is and how do you use it, and what is the benefit of having a lead generation system in your business. Okay, so let's get into it.
Mickey on the track.
Yeah. I'ma run it off.
So what is lead generation? Lead generation is basically how you can generate leads. What is a lead? You may ask. Lead is simply people in your business. A lead is simply people in your business. It's a prospect that you have for your business. So to have to make sales, you obviously needs to be able to talk to people, to get your message to the people. Okay, and before this person become your clients or your customer, it is first a lead. So the leads is when you is the term business industry, the online industry use to define a person which is just entering in your business. So there is different ways to generate leads. So that's what we're gonna see in this video. So here are different strategy you can use to generate leads for your business. So you can use Facebook Lives, okay, which is very easy to use and very effective for engagement. You can also use Facebook videos. You can use YouTube. You can use Twitter. You can also use Instagram, ManyChat. ManyChat, it's a bot messenger that is used on the Facebook Messenger with Facebook Messenger tool. So it's a bot that helps you automate your communications with your different leads, okay, with your different prospects. So you can also use solo ads, or you can use a blog. You can choose whatever strategy here that you want. The most important is that you choose one and you try to master it. Don't try to pick up too many strategy to try 3 or 4 different strategies because that is where you're going to be very ineffective in your business, because you're going to spread yourself too thin. I would suggest you to focus on mastering only one strategy to generate leads. Learn this strategy, buy any course, any training about this strategy, and focus on mastering this strategy. So what I can suggest also is you can choose to use one paid strategy and one free strategy. So that's one of the best platforms to do that is for example Facebook. You can use Facebook ads, which is going to be your paid strategy. So you can launch campaigns to get more, to try to generate more leads. Okay, but that's going to cost you in terms of money, and you're going to need to learn how to be compliant with the Facebook policies. Yeah, and because you don't want to your Facebook to be shut down, your Facebook account, your business manager account to be shut down. So the best thing to do is to focus on really mastering this strategy. And you can use also the free Facebook Lives or your Facebook profile, which is also can generate a lot of leads for you, and that's a great way to start making your business if you don't really have a budget to do it. So know that you can do it from your Facebook profile. Just reach out to me if you want to know more about this strategy. So one thing you need to really focus on, as I mentioned, is really to get focused, okay, and stop going all over the place, because that's exactly where you're gonna start making mistakes. So here are a couple of mistakes that people do when trying to build their lead generation system and strategies. So they're trying too many strategies at once. Okay, so they're trying to jump on building an email list, or they want to build a blog, or they want also to be on Instagram. That is where you become to be, as I say, jack of all trades and master of none. So really focus on building one strategy. Don't lure yourself this next shiny strategy that someone is talking about. Keep the focus on your strategy. That's really important because that's a big mistake that people make. Okay, so try to manage only one strategy instead of many at once. Okay, many at the same time. Sorry. Also, people don't stick to their strategy long enough to see results. That's also a common mistake most marketers are doing. Is they are trying one strategy during 1 or 2 weeks, and then when they don't see results, or they receive a new email from someone else, from another marketer that's gonna introduce them to, oh, this is a new strategy to get more leads, and so they're going to jump into this one because simply they see that they didn't have result yet on their main strategy, so they're gonna jump into a new one. That's a big mistake here. Okay, so focus at least, I would recommend 60 to 90 days. Okay, maybe 60 to 90 days in one strategy. Apply it, learn everything you can about it. Try to focus on this strategy alone and see the result. Focus on this strategy until you see the result. After 90 days, if you don't see any result in this strategy, now you can start getting into having a mentor, having someone or taking a course that's going to show you, what you're doing wrong and how to better your strategy. Okay, that's important. That's an important point you guys need to keep in mind. The other mistakes that I see a lot of people do is focusing on results instead of focusing on actions. Okay, I know that you want to make money. I know that this is one of the main reasons why you are in business, but focusing on the result can get you really frustrated once, because if you don't see the result, you're going to start thinking that your strategy is not actually working, which is wrong, which is the wrong approach, because it doesn't mean that your strategy is not working. It just means that you didn't apply your strategy long enough. Okay, you didn't make the actions enough action on this strategy to see the results coming. Okay, so that now you're getting frustrated, and now your attention start to you start to losing your attention and start to look at other strategy, and but you actually haven't implement this strategy long enough. Okay, using a strategy, applying a strategy only 1, 2, 3 weeks is not going to make you being successful. Okay, it's not going to give you any result because you're not going to have enough expertise and enough confidence to have the result and to drive this confidence from people. Keep in mind that business is a marathon, it's not a sprint. So focus on action instead of focusing on results. But one of the last common mistakes I've seen people make is that they are listening to too many voices. So people are usually not focusing in having one mentor or listening only one marketer. Listen, I have people I'm working with that are very great at using their strategy. But listen, they are doing things differently that I am doing things. Okay, that doesn't mean that I am not doing the right things or they are not doing the right things because they are seeing result, I am seeing result. It just means that they are applying and teaching different way of doing it. By listening to both of us, you're gonna get lost because you're not gonna learn the same things. Okay, and you're gonna be confused about what you actually needs to apply and what's actually working and what doesn't for you. Okay, keep in mind that what's working for me may not work for you. So you need to, and that's only by taking actions, by taking massive actions, that you're gonna see the results that are and the strategies that are working for you. Okay, so stop listening to many voices. I would suggest you to take 1 or 2 maximum marketers and 2 people that you see as authority in their field and focusing on applying what they teach. Okay, and don't try to today you listen to what this guy is doing, tomorrow you listen what the other guy is doing, and the day after to another guy. Okay, focus on the most important, guys, is just staying focused. Really stay focused on what you're doing, and you're going to be successful by taking massive actions, just applying the same strategy with consistency. Consistency is key, guys, so keep that in mind. As long as you get being consistent and resilient with the action and the strategy that you apply, you're gonna see results. So that's it for me today, guys. I hope this video had value and that helped you getting clear about what is lead generations. If you want to know more, click the link below, the first link below, and you're gonna learn more about what is the best lead generation strategy to apply for your business and how to master it. Also, feel free to comment this video if you have any value from it. If you didn't like it, click the dislike button. If you like it, click the like button. I will be very happy to see your opinion, guys, about this video. Feel free to subscribe, and I talk to you very soon. Okay, cheers, guys.